Now let us go into the session 3 under BFSI sector, which is evolution of money and banking. In this session, you will learn to trace the evolution of money, trace the evolution of banking in India. Now let us talk about evolution of money. Money evolved as a store of value. It is a medium of payment. It's a common measure of value. It is a means of payment. It is a unit of account. Money is best defined by its function. Anything that is widely used for making payments and for accounting. The three essential characteristics of money are durability, portability, and divisibility. We will see one by one what it is. Earlier, money was developed as a means of payment. Money was used to meet various needs and requirements. Money was invented to overcome the shortcomings of the barter system. That is, before money, we have something called barter system, that is exchange of goods among ourselves. That system is called barter system. If you look at this display, you can see some of the pictures. These pictures represent the different stages of evolution of money. The first one talks about exchange of commodity. In the earlier days, people used to exchange the commodity against each other. Then we have got metallic coins. After some time, people came out with certain coins. It is made of metals. And then we have paper currency. What you can nowadays using is paper currency. After that, we have something called bank money. There are certain instruments which can be used for business purposes. Those are all called bank money. Then we have plastic money, which you are aware very well. Some of you are maybe using it. You have debit card, you have credit card, you have smart card, you have an ATM card. All those coming under plastic money. What is a barter system? See, barter system involved usage of commodities as a medium of exchange. It included commodities such as cows, sheep, goats, axes, and dried fishes as medium of exchange. That is, cows can be exchanged against sheep, or sheep can be exchanged against goat, or goat can be exchanged against axes, and any product can be exchanged against dried fish. That is why these commodities are called medium of exchange. What are the problems which barter system could have encountered those days? So the various problems associated with the barter system are the storage, the durability, transportation, divisibility, and safety. So they faced certain problems. When they have the barter system, there is a problem for storage, there is a durability issue, even there are problems to transport from one place to another place. Divide it, whatever product you get in exchange of your own product, you cannot divide it. And sometimes they face problems in safeguarding it. These are the problems faced by our people during barter system. Then what are metallic coins? Discovery of precious metals such as gold, silver, and copper led to these being used as money. You would have heard about it. These silver coins or gold coins used a long time back during our Raja's period, where they mint these coins and then put it in the public for their usage. Now as on date, if you look at, we are handling coins which are made of nickel. Metallic money consists of coins made of gold, silver, copper, or nickel. The coins which are being used as on today are made of nickel. Paper currency. The paper currency was introduced as a mode of payment. It originated as receipt issued by goldsmiths. In the form of receipts was used for payments. Difference in value of receipts started becoming a problem. There also, even after introduction of paper money, there was a problem in handling it. Because there can be sometimes it may be a surplus or sometimes it may be a shortage. So people may find it very difficult to how to manage with that. This is called something called intangible money. What is it, intangible money? It is a currency or coins deposited in banks. It includes different instruments offered by banks such as checks, drafts, pay orders, traveler's checks, and others. When you talk about currency or coins deposited in bank means if you have some money with you and you deposit in your account in a certain bank, your money is being kept in the bank, but it is not with you. That is why it is called intangible money. And the same money can be in a different form, maybe in the form of a check or a draft or a purchase order or a banker's check or a traveler's check. This is convenient, safe, and easily convertible into cash. It is similar to near money. Then what is plastic money? It is exchanged electronically. It includes debit cards, credit cards, ATM cards, and smart cards. It involves use of computer networks, internet, and digitally stored value systems. As you're aware, when you go to shop, you want to buy something, and if you use a debit card or a credit card, say that just they swipe it in a machine and then they take the money. So how it happens? The money from your account pass on to the merchant's account. That is why it is called, it is exchanged electronically. So necessarily it involves computer networks, internet, and digitally stored value systems. Then, what are the characteristics of money? The characteristics of money are acceptability. That is, when you exchange the currency note to somebody, it is being accepted by the other person. That is why it is called acceptability. Stability of value. See, when you exchange a 10 rupee note or a 100 rupee note, it is of the same value. So this value will not go down. That is why it is called stability of value. Transportability. See, when you transfer this money from one place to another place, still the value is the same. So it is called transportability. Storability. You can just keep the money in your packet or in your cupboard elsewhere. So you can store the money. So it is able to store it. Then what is divisibility? With 1 rupee 100 note, you can get 10 numbers of 10 rupee notes, or 2 numbers of 50 rupee notes, or 5 numbers of 20 rupee notes. That is why it is called divisibility. What is homogeneity? This money passes from one person to another person. Still it will not lose its value. That is why it is called homogeneity. So these are all called the characteristics of money. Let us have some crossword puzzle. If you look at the picture, we have certain things which we want you to just think it over and then fill it up. If you look at this particular table across, we have just given certain clue to start with. Number 3 talks about coins are produced in a particular place. Number 5, it can also be silver metal. Number 6, it's a note issue authority. Number 7, it is exchange for goods and services. Number 8, every business would aspire to achieve this. Number 10, considered as wealth during ancient times. Number 11, attacked Rome. Number 12, this value is considered as one of the functions of money. These are all across. So you just try to find out what are they. Then when you speak about down, number 2, it's country which used deer skin as money. Just think it over. Some country used deer skin as money. Then number 3 is Chinese traveler who visited India. Number 4, one of the functions of money. Number 7, used for sending money through post offices. Number 9, used as money in ancient China. Just think it over for a moment, then we can discuss about answers for this crossword puzzle. Now let us go to the answers. The first one is the coins which are produced here. We have given 3, that is mint, M-I-N-T, mint. Mint is the place where the coins are produced. Number 5, can also be silver metal. Again, the answer is coin. The coin can be made from silver metal also. Number 6, note issue authority. So what is across number 6? It is RBI, that is Reserve Bank of India, who has the authority to issue rupee notes except 1 rupee note. Number 7, exchange for goods and services. That is, again, it is money. Money can be used to exchange goods and services. Number 8, every business would aspire to achieve this. That is profit. What everyone wants to achieve, it is profit. Okay. Number 10, considers as wealth during ancient times. What is ancient wealth during ancient times? It is cattle. If you have 100 cattle or 50 cattle, you can consider as a big man in a village. So if you have more number of cattle, you are the big man in a village. Then goes to number 11. Attacked Rome. Who attacked Rome? It's a person by name Gauls, G-A-U-L-S, Gauls. He is the guy who attacked Rome. Then this value is considered as one of the functions of money. That is measured. So with the money you can just measure how much you have it. Okay. Now let us go into downwise. Number 2, country which use deer skin as money. Which country use deer skin as money? That is 2. You can answer is China. Chinese traveler who visited India. What is the answer? It is Marco Polo. His full name is Marco Polo. Then Number 4, one of the functions of money, that is store. It is called store of value. So it is one of the functions of money. Then used for sending money through post offices. It is, in a short form, it is called MO, that is money order. Used for sending money through post office is money order, which is in the short form, it is called MO. Then used as money in ancient China, that is number 9, that is shell. The normal shell has been used by Chinese people as money in those earlier days. Just move on.